Why use Katzkin leather interiors over other brands? First of all, quality. Excellent quality. They've always been great with quality on their covers. We've been installing them over 35 years, so hundreds of different interiors, no problems. How do they back it up? 3-year, 36,000-mile warranty on all covers installed by a licensed installer. Color match. Great color match. Matches the original colors very well, or you got two-tone on the door panel sometimes, and you'll have two-tone in the seats if that's what you desire. And excellent match again. If you want something custom, they have custom also. Always on the latest cutting edge of products for your interior, different stitch types, different logos, all kind. Anything you can get anywhere else you can get from Katzkin, and they're the best at it, whatever it is. Excellent installer network. Boy, you have installers all over the U.S. that will install it for you, have for years. You can call Katzkin direct and they can line you up with an installer, or you can purchase it with financing through Katzkin also. And lastly, parts available. If you buy a Katzkin kit from Katzkin, you'll always have parts available when you mess up one cover later down in the line. That's a great thing to have, because eventually everything tears up. And finally, friendly staff. They have a great staff. We've had great experience, 100% satisfaction with them over the years we've been doing business with them, and I know you will too. Thank you for watching. Hope you get what you need.